What's up, Kinks? It is NappyFu all up on your screen, and today is just a off-scheduled video, okay? Just want to kind of check in. I'm probably do this from time to time, see how y'all are doing, how's your hair journey going, how's life, how's the kids, how's the hubby, how's the family, how's everything? How you doing, Team Kinks?
Let's talk. Y'all ready? NappyFu checking in. Lego. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back, Team Kinks, mental health and hair care. I know you're like, what, NappyFu? Me too. Okay. When I was doing this video, I was just like, girl, what? I was like, I don't know. Something is just saying, do a video where you're just checking on Team Kinks and Team Kinks can check on you. So that's what I'm doing. Hope you like it. Roll with me on this, okay, y'all?
You know, you got to check on your strong friends. I don't personally know you, but I believe that we are all strong in our own right. So just don't think that only you have to check on others. I'm checking on you. How you doing? You good?
So, Kinks, I was thinking to myself, it is wonderful. I can talk about hair all day, okay? Hair, beauty, everything. But I also realized in order to do all these tips that we be learning and all these methods, you got to be in the right mental space, right? So let's talk about that today. How you doing mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually? How you doing, girl? Let me know in the comment box below. I'm gonna let you know how I'm doing too, but I want to hear you first. And believe me, I'm gonna be reading, okay? Share and trust me, your response will definitely help another kink out.
As for me, how you doing, NappyFu? Girl, I'm good. Okay. I'm good. I don't necessarily acknowledge bad, as in if situations are hard, you won't hear me say, girl, things are just, that's just not my persona. I immediately try to see the brighter side of things, or at least I aspire towards that. So I'm not going to acknowledge the tough times, because we all have tough times. Your mindset is what makes it not seem so tough. So even if I am going through crap, my mindset would be more like, God already let me know he has good plans in store for me, because it says that in Jeremiah 29:11, and it says it in so many other ways, in so many other verses in the Bible.
Being a Christian, of course, I'm going to go to the Bible. It always encourages me. So there's a few verses that I like to read that gives me a little booster. If you're not a Bible reader, if you're a Quran reader or whatever else, just pick out those verses that encourages you. You can always reference back to when you need some uplifting. It helps, trust me. Post it in your restroom, put it in your book, wherever you need it to be at, to remind you, you got this.
So therefore, whatever I happen to face currently, this will pass. It will pass. So let me not give the enemy the energy it wants me to give it.
When I say I don't really acknowledge the hard times, I know they're there. I know it's there. But how do I get over it? What's the solution? God help me. And that's where I immediately move to when I am faced with challenges. I'm like, okay, this is bad. I might cry. I might have 1 or 2 days where I just don't do nothing because I'm just really, really sad. But you best believe I'm not going to stay in that space. No, I'm immediately like, okay, what do I do to make this better?
Now, this type of mindset is really hard to have, especially if your situation is very, very challenging. But just know that it will still pass. It will pass. But it requires for you to take action. It requires for you to do something. It requires for you to do your part, and God does the rest. There's no way sitting there doing nothing, things will come to you. Nah, you got to do something. Whether you're going to pray, you're going to fast, you're going to physically go out and get some stuff done, whatever be the case, is going to take some type of action on your part. So
as a believer, I understand that your first action might be, let me pray. But it doesn't have to stop right there. I believe that the gift of psychiatry, the gift of therapy, the gift of mental health professionals is a gift. So that's also taking action, going to someone, a professional, and speaking to them. Even if you want to speak just to your pastor, your youth leader, a priest, whatever be within your reach, use those resources. It's a gift and it can help.
if you are having a negative day, you have the power to change that sucker around, right? Law of attraction. You want good things, you want a positive mindset and all that kind of great stuff. That's how you have to think. You need to attract that to you by reprogramming how you think, right? Like Joyce Meyer says, the mind is a battlefield, and I pray that we all come out victorious, okay? Don't let the enemy win on your thoughts. Let God win on your thoughts. So if it's a struggle for you, if you're like, yo, I just can't get it right, I'm going to tell you what I pray almost every single day. God, please control my thought life. Lord, please control my thought life. Please control my feelings, okay? Because I'm the kind of person who can be very, very sensitive. I can be very over analytical. I can overreact. No, I wouldn't say I overreact, but I can overthink things. I can have one thought and then develop 100 thoughts from that one little simple thing. And none of that is good. Whether it's a romantic relationship, a friendship relationship, a family relationship, when you take things out of proportion, when you take things out of context, when you assume things, that's never good. It's never good. So I have definitely developed the mind. I know I'm just hopping from subject to subject, but I have developed the habit of asking questions. I don't want to assume that what I just saw is what it is. So I'm just going to ask you, even though it sounds like a stupid question, I've come to learn from elementary, no such thing as stupid questions, only stupid answers. Okay. I don't know if that's really a thing, but anywho. So yes, you have the mindset, you have the power to change your mindset. If you're feeling negative, overwhelmed, defeated, you can get out of that. You can ask God to help you. Ask whomever you pray to, ask your God to help you. Help you not to let how you carry yourself show your hard times, right? Let me not be a reflection of what I'm actually going through. Let me be a reflection of what I'm aspiring to get to. Come on, somebody. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm going through something hard right now, but let it not show on me. No, let what shows on me what I'm working towards, okay? I ain't got all the money right now, but let me not show my brokenness. Let me show the richness I'm working towards. You feel me? I'm single right now. Let me not show, oh, she's lonely and sad. No, let me show somebody who is loved, who is confident in self, and who's not lonely because he knows God is always with me. I'm never alone. So you're never alone. So yes, whatever you're going through, you don't have to be a reflection of it. You can be a reflection of what you're aspiring to get to. Okay?
So y'all know I'm definitely sold out for Christ. I'm a Jesus lover and all that great stuff, y'all. So this one verse kind of helped me in this area in knowing that my healthiness doesn't only help me, but it helps others. It's in Philippians 2:4, and it says, do not merely look out for your own interests, but also for the interests of others. What that tells me is, I can't only be good for me. I got to be good for others. So I can't stay in a negative space because people need me in these streets. You feel me? So just keep that in mind. You are needed. You might not feel like you need it, but you are needed in the streets. That's why you're still alive. So take action on whatever issues you have. Take action over it and get help. We need you.
All right, so this is a quick little check-in, y'all. I hope y'all like this. I'm going to try to do this as much as I can. Okay, just to kind of pop up on your screen and say, hey, and just see how you're doing. All right, so let me know. Trust me, your girl is going to read the comments. So comment below. Truly, how you doing?
I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and help your girl out by hitting that subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you can be notified the next time that I am all up on your screen. Also, if you're bored during the week, come on and hang out with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all of that.
And I will catch you on the next one. By the grace of God, you will see this chocolate skin all up on your screen again. Until then, remember, my sister, my brother, my cousin, my friend, in order to have a healthy mind, okay, healthy thoughts, healthy feelings, healthy everything, you got to do healthy things consistently. The more you speak positiveness into your life, before you know it, you will follow that path. The more you are speaking the opposite of what the enemy is trying to have you think, the more you are changing that game around. Man, I'm telling you, things are going to be attracting you. Things are going to be attracting to you that you find yourself saying, dang, how did I get blessed like this? I'm just saying, y'all, consistency, right? Okay, so you got healthy things consistently, consistency. NappyFu checking out. Deuces.
If I told you you were beautiful, 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 if I told you you were beautiful.